Hi, I'm Chelsea from Redshark, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do a glitch effect in Adobe Photoshop. And if you want to follow along with this tutorial, download our working file.
So for this tutorial, we're going to be ending with this glitch effect in Photoshop. So we're going to start with a black and white image, and we are going to duplicate this layer, unlock it, edit the layer style. We're going to come under channels and we're going to uncheck R, and then we're going to drag this just slightly to the right. We're going to duplicate that layer and repeat the process, except we're going to be also unchecking G on this one. And then we're going to drag that slightly to the left. You can do it in either order, just make sure that you flip them on the second one. And then we're going to, I don't mind this color, but if you want to edit the colors, how they interact, you can pull up the layer style and adjust this down here. You can use this slider for that layer, and then the underline layer. I'm just going to pull up, bring back a little bit more of this red in here. Okay, and so then we're going to copy these. And I'm just going to pull them out of this group because I'm going to lock the group so we don't actually accidentally edit any of those. So I'm going to select the layers we just duplicated and merge them. So now we'll be able to use the rectangular marquee tool across the image without just doing one layer. So we're going to make these like short, wide, rectangular selections, and this just makes a better look for our glitch effect. So you're just going to come around, dragging them either to the right or to the left, and just try to alternate, do different areas of the image, do different sizes. And you can repeat this throughout the whole image, as many rectangles as you want, just until you get your desired look. I'm not going to go and do it fully just for the sake of time, but just keep repeating this until you like how it looks. So I'm probably going to do like one more and then stop here. I can do some of the hair. Okay, so then we have this glitch effect coming through the image with the colors, but to really drive the effect home, we're going to be uploading an image with horizontal lines on it, and we're going to upload it as an overlay layer. So I already have one in here, so I'm just going to turn the visibility back on. And you can see how it just matches really well with the dimensions, or like the proportions of the rectangular selections that we did. And just make sure that it's set as an overlay layer. If you just upload it normal, it's just going to be on top of your image, and we're not messing with the opacity at all. We're just changing it to an overlay layer. And if you wanted your glitch effect to be vertical instead of horizontal like we did, you would just drag in the first couple steps where you're dragging your layers to the right and the left, you would just drag them either up or down. And same with your selections, you'd be making tall rectangles with a small short width that you'd be dragging up or down, and then uploading an image with horizontal stripes instead of the vertical stripe, or with vertical stripes instead of the horizontal stripes that we have here.
If you enjoyed this tutorial, give us a like and subscribe, and follow our Instagram for more tips and tricks, and subscribe to our newsletter to keep up to date.